Hello Muggles! So, as you've guessed it, it's not a travel vlog. Today's video is all about hot butterbeer. If you haven't had one, you're missing out. So I'm going to show you guys two different ways how you can make a lovely, delicious hot butterbeer. Now, the first time I had one of these, I was in Universal Studios in November, and we was at the Wizarding World of Harry Potter, and we popped in there and we had a hot butterbeer, and oh my god, it was absolutely delicious. And I think I had about 4 in a row. It was that nice. Yeah, I probably did feel a bit sick, but hey ho, you're on holiday. But yeah, it's absolutely delicious. Now, there's lots of different ways of doing this out there. So I'm going to show you guys 2 ways how I do mine. And it's easy, and it's with the most easiest ingredients to get hold of here in the UK. So without further ado, let's get into it. Right then, let's get cracking. So, saucepan, cups, butter, and milk. That's to start off with. So, first thing, this is the first way of doing it. Once I've done this way, I'll show you the second way. And then you can choose whichever way you prefer. So what I'm going to do is fill about half of that cup with milk. Okay, that might be slightly more than half. So, next, we've got some cream soda. Bought around the local shop, probably for about £1.50. Now we're just going to put the cream soda and top up the cup. All the way to the top. Okay, so next we're going to put all this in the saucepan. Okay, so let's get this switched on. And we'll let that boil. And so next, what we're going to do is, when that's nice and hot, we're going to drop in 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. So we'll just wait for this.
A few moments later.
Well, that's not taking long at all, and you can already start to smell the cream soda and the milk mixing. So just give that a bit of a stir. Okay, so that's got a nice bit of froth on that now. So what we're going to do, we're going to drop in the 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. We're going to stir that in. Now you can toy with this and you can put as much brown sugar in as you like. But I think I've got this pretty much right. Okay, so next, just going to drop in a tablespoon of butter. Probably about just like that. Just going to stir that butter in until it's all gone. Okay, and now all the butter's gone. Okay, now all the butter's gone, it's still nice and hot. We're going to drop in a generous 3 tablespoons of butterscotch syrup. Actually, I'm making that for 1, so a generous 2 tablespoons of butterscotch syrup. And this was the item that I had to buy on Amazon. I couldn't find this locally. But next day delivery, I think it was about £5 for this, which is all worth it. Oh, the smell. Oh. Now that smells like hot butterbeer. So there you have it, it's done. So let's take the cup and the saucepan and pour it into the cup over the sink. A little bit messy with this one. So yeah, if you've gone ahead and made this recipe, let me know in the comments below. You know, let me know what you think, because personally, I think I've nailed this. I think it's pretty much exactly as it is in the parks. So let me know. So there you have it, guys. Hot butterbeer. Something missing. The cup. I knew there was something. So yeah. Yeah, these are also ordered on Amazon. So, absolutely delicious. Tastes just like it does in the park. Oh, so nice. Takes me straight back there. Anyway, so moving on to the other way of doing it now. Right then, before we get any further, subscribe, please subscribe. Thank you. So, moving on to the next one. Let's do it all again, but a different way. Come on. Okay, so this is the second way. So you got your velvetizer. And this way, it's probably using less things. You're not using stirrer, you're not using saucepan. So it's probably like the cleanest, tidiest, probably the quickest way too. So let's get cracking. Same ingredients. So what we're going to do is, these are the cups that come with this. So we're just going to fill this cup up again, as we did previously. I'm going to go half with the milk. And we're going to go half with the cream soda. Now, when I experimented with these, I read somewhere where you boil the milk first and then put the cream soda in. Now, I had a problem with that because when I put the cream soda in after I'd boiled the milk, it frothed right up to the top of the saucepan and then settled with like a bitty substance, and it just wasn't very nice. So make sure you put the cream soda in before you boil the milk. Okay, then we're just going to drop that straight in there. This time we're going to put the butter in first. Probably just about that much. Tablespoon. Okay, get rid of that. Messy fingers. And we're going to do the brown sugar again as well. 2 tablespoons. Drop the lid on top. Don't forget, two generous tablespoons of your butterscotch. Okay, make sure that's switched on. Put the lid on. And away you go. So just waiting for that to finish now. And don't forget your cups. Platform 9 3/4. You could just use these cups, but let's have a bit of fun with these. And there we go. It's done. How could life get any better? So let's pour it in. There again is another hot butterbeer. Nice. So now I'm just going to tidy up and I'm going to sit down and I think I might watch Harry Potter whilst drinking my hot butterbeer. That's so nice. In fact, I think this is nicer than the last one I just did. Yeah. But here's a few different options that you can have with your hot butterbeer. Cheers.